just like to give a small promotion for the new support from Janome, the little sewing machine that I also picked up the very first week it came out. Has been really easy to work with. It has so many more stitches and fancy things on it than the machine I had before. And of course, it's newer and it hums small, it's quieter and that kind of thing. It is a support for Quilts of Valour because the organization does receive a $10 donation for every sewing machine sold. And I understand from one of the Edmonton Janome dealers that it has just literally flown off the shelf. So there's other people that are enjoying it now too.